We're having our ANA Christmas party. The highlight of the event is our king and queen of the night. We're cross-dressing and I'm dressed as a rock star.
With his 33 years old, contestant number 1.
Left. Remain. Dear for short. Jessica Rain. Thank you. Sunglasses at night.
Contestant number 3.
Gandang hari.
Very energetic contestant.
My name is Dayan.
Look at the curves. Okay, your name? Oh, wow, very revealing outfit. Wow, look at that.
My name is Cindy. Sindicato!
Very office girl like. Oh, I'm no keeper. Wow. My Bruce Lee incarnate.
My name is Maria. Maria Mar. Ow!
Wow. Animal Rocker.
Thank you.
And wine.
My name is Bea. Not Alonso. But Bea Abunda.
Trust. And oh my. How can? Look at that.
I'm Francis in morning, but Francesca in evening.
Summer attire.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Christina.
Look at that. Okay. What are you covering there?
My name is Amanda, and my last name is Lagan from Mandalagan.
Vital statistics of 34, 20, 36 in her tie-dye dress and her
My name is Anna. Annabelle.
vital statistics 36, 36.
My name is Bella Lockman.
Yes. Where do you work?
My name is Ronaldin Z. Mabangban. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan, bakla man ako sa iyong paningin, bakla din ang aking tingin. Thank you. Mama! Maria ba?
What is that? Wow. I love your sandals. Dress.
Kung may tsunami mo, may cobra walk, ang ako niyang sidewalk. This is Maria Mariet, a Greek goddess.
Oh my goodness.
Ay, sana lang na.
Please, vacation. Take your vacation team. Hey.
Last contestant. That's why nakuyos na hapon doon. Ipinila ko ay pick-up. Congratulations to all my fellow candidates for tonight. And we wish you a Merry Christmas.